Hadin ka jingpha eka sithi shaw lamprang ka ying dorbar ban no eka party congress na kaliang u Dr. Mukul Sangma ban harangkat ki khatwe ngut ki MLA ka congress party menta ka singi ka arp santarik unai wing kilalek ban yakendu yo lamprang ka ying dorbar ban penskem yakate ka sithi ka jongki habakran sekilar pathai khubor hadin baladab bani kendu ya kita ki khat arngut ki MLA ki bala mi na ka party congress uba met ba lingdo ulayathu ba hadin ba ulayo priang ya ka sithi na kita ki khat arngut ki MLA ula khot yaki ba kinwan ya kendu menta ka sngi ha kamra trekam ka jong u katei ka jingkhot yaki menta ka sngi kalong ban pentikna ba kila soi ya ka sithi bat menta ka sngi la pha soi biang ha khmat jong u ban pensisa ba kila soi ya ka sithi bat kat kum ka an jong ka khernet ka basipho uba met ba ulo ongru ba kila la ban penbiang kat kum ka an henrei dang don ki benta ban hab ban bisar bania shwa ban sim ya ka rai bat kam sim don ka jingbu por henrei unle ban sim ya ka rai kham kloi ulaya thuru baya ka sithi ba kitai ki khat arngut ki MLA kin no eka party congress ulayo ka arpho sau tarik unai wing bat menta ka arpho san tarik unai wing udang khot yaki khat arngut ki MLA ban yakendu bat kumta udang simpor ban perkhat shwa ban sim ya ka rai ulaya thuru baya kane layo jingtip ru hakaju ka por na secretary ka party TMC bakum ka party kala pedeng ya kitai ki khat arngut ki MLA bakila penyaso shaka party TMC nakaliang u Dr. Mukul Sangma habakran hadin balai yakendu yu lamprang ka yeng dorbar uloong bakane ka jingi kendu kalalong ban pendap kat kum ki kendon ki badon haka khernet ka basipho.
It's not today. They have submitted the letter yesterday to October. So I have received the letter submitted by the 12 MLAs who are all from the Congress party. And they've also mentioned that they have joined the All India Tribunal Congress. At the same time, I have received also the letter from the All India General Secretary, Abhishek Banerjee, who had also welcomed them and recognized them as members of the All India Tribunal Congress.
So have you accepted the letter?
I have received the letter.
So in this case, there is a split in the Congress party. So whether your recognition based on the split in the parliamentary party or in the original party of the Congress?
Sorry?
So now there is a split in the Congress. So whether you are going to recognize them based on the split on the parliamentary party of the Congress or on the original party
Since
of the
I have
Congress?
received the letter yesterday, and I have requested all the 12 members of the assembly who belongs to the Congress party and who have split from the Congress party to ensure that all of them have signed the letter which I have received yesterday. I have requested them to come today to be present before me physically, and they have attended the letter which I have sent to them to be present today, and I have verified myself personally today. As far as the 2/3 majority, as per the schedule, they have qualified for it. But the rest of the things that needs proper explanation so that due course of action will be taken.
Since they have qualified, now is it the right moment for the Assembly Secretariat or the whole Assembly to recognize this new split party as the principal opposition of the State Assembly?
I have no comment right now as far as that thing is concerned. I will accept